What do we have here? Maxace Goliath. It's a big boy, not a little guy. It's got a nice tumble finish to the blade. It's a K110. I think they have them in S35 too, but this is the budget model, I guess. Titanium bolsters, micarta. Pocket clip, I'm not sure if it's titanium or stainless. I bet it's stainless, but I'm not sure. Let's see, do I have a magnet laying around? Is this a magnet? Not a very good magnet. This sucker is big. Let's compare it in size. What do we got here? We got a Rat Model 2, which is a little smaller than what you'd call a full-size knife, but it's a medium small, I guess you would say. It looks like a little tiny baby. Now the Rat 1, most people would call a Rat 1 a big knife. I think it's about a 3 3/4 inch blade, something like that. So it's more than a handful. And it looks pretty small. Another knife, obviously everybody has, is a Shiro 111. It's the pocket sword. It's gigantic. It's a huge knife. And yeah, it's a little smaller. And it's less tall. And it's lighter. So this guy's a beast. I was thinking maybe we would take it apart and see what's going on inside. Let's see. The liner is stainless though. Pocket clip, I'm not getting any magnetism from. Hard to say. Might be tie, might be stainless. The way they have it textured, the texture matches the bolster, so it's hard to know. Pocket clip is not reversible. And it's inset into a little recess, but the screws are kind of the standard little mushroom head guys, so let's see if this stuff comes off easy or what. Okay, so we got this micarta coming off fairly easy. Looks nice. Well done piece there. You can see what's inside. Got a lot of cutaways in the frame that lightens it up, so it's really not a heavy knife for being how big, tall, wide it is. Luckily all the screws are the same length, and we won't count those guys since I didn't keep track of which ones came from where. That's a good thing. Very nicely cut out. Got these standoffs here, still need to come out. It looks like this part is just a little pin kind of. Let's see if we can get the pivot out. Nope, wrong one. Let's see. Gotta be this guy. What is that? Is that a 10? Yeah, so the pivot's a 10, everything else is an 8. That's nice. Very nice. I love how the pivot looks. It's got a really nice look to it. And the pivot has a surrounding little collar that I haven't seen before. That's kind of neat. A little oily in there. We'll get that cleaned up. Let's get these, whoop, nope, wrong one. Let's get these back bolts out. Everything coming off real nice and easy, like it should. That's a good thing. Let's see what we can do here to get this guy apart. Just kind of shaking it back and forth, because everything is fit tightly like it should, but it's not stuck for sure. It's just needing to be shaken loose. Okay, I'm going to leave that guy right in there so I don't forget which hole that's in. That's what she said. Multi-row bearings. Nice. Didn't know that. Looks like you can unscrew the bolsters from the back side of the frame there, the liner. Really nice spring on that. Alright, that's enough for now. Well, while I had it apart, went ahead and colored the scales. What do we think of the two-tone blue? It's kind of like dark here, and then sanded here, and then redone. So it's a little bit lighter there, and it kind of matches with this two-tone, well, it's not really two-tone, but two-height part of the bolster here. I think it looks pretty hot. This part's sanded, this part's not, so this is a little more grippy here on the edge, and then the middle's a little smoother. I'm trading it for a Hogue, but I kind of like it now. A lot. Oh well. Can't go back on your deals. Have a good one.